A very good morning to you, Mr. E.
Good morning, Bob. You're up early.
You too are up early, Mr. E. And all excited, bouncing around like that.
You are right, Bob. I am excited to be a guest in your class today. Yay!
That is excellent. The kids are eager to meet you too. Let's not waste any more time and get going, shall we?
I'm always ready, Bob. Let's go.
Hello, kids. Look who is as eager to meet you all as you are to meet him.
Good morning, Mr. E.
Good morning to you too, kids. I am so excited to be here.
Let's start right away then. Could you tell the kids what's special about you, Mr. E?
Kids, do you like riddles?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. I come first in engine, first in elephant, and first in egg. What am I?
First in engine, first in elephant, and first in egg. I wonder what the answer is.
Give up, everyone? It is me, the letter E. Did you get it? Engine, elephant, egg. All begin with the letter E.
That was fun. Do you want Mr. E to ask you another riddle, kids?
Yes, please, Bob.
Okay, here goes. I come first in eagle, first in elf, and also in earth. What am I?
It's the letter E.
That was an excellent way to teach the kids about you, Mr. E. Could you please go through this once more so the kids can remember it?
Sure. I come first in engine, elephant, egg, eagle, elf, and earth.
Thank you, Mr. E. Shall we now play the game of how to write the letter E, kids?
Yes, Bob.
Let's start. Mary, are you ready?
Yes, Bob, I am.
Start at the top and draw a standing line down to the bottom. Go back to the top where you started and make a long sleeping line across. Yes, like that. Then go to the middle of the standing line and make another shorter sleeping line across. Now go to the bottom and draw one more sleeping line across, same as the line on top. Yes, like that. Excellent job, Mary.
Mr. E, you sure are easy to write.
I agree. Do you want to show how it is done once more?
Sure, Bob. Start at the top and draw a standing line down to the bottom. Go back to the top where you started and make a long sleeping line across. Then go to the middle of the standing line and make another shorter sleeping line across. Now go to the bottom and draw one more long sleeping line across. Same as the top line. And that is letter E.
Excellent, Mary. Spending time with all of you has been so exciting. Thank you, kids. Have an enchanting day. What an enchanting day it has been, Bob. All thanks to you.
You are welcome, Mr. E. Before you head off bouncing home, I have a song I would like to sing about you. Would you like to hear it?
How exciting! Please sing! When you meet Mr. E, you are sure to see an easygoing entertainer, and that is Mr. E. Eager and exciting, extremely enchanting, he is extraordinary, and that is Mr. E.
Exuberant, excitable, as all of you can see. He is truly eloquent, and that is Mr. E.
Excellent song, Bob, and entertaining too. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. E, for spending time with us. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Yes, of course you will. Goodbye, friends, and have an enchanting day.